Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of the Wizz app. No jailbreaker computer is needed. So as you can see guys, we have 100 boosts, 100 super chats, bulk chats, and admirers. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It's super insane and it actually works. So if you do need this stuff on Wizz, because I know a lot of people like to boost their profile, but it costs money. Then I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Guys, so as you can see, we have 100 boosts, 100 super chats, 100 bulk chats, and 100 admirers. I just have to press add. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this, and I don't have to pay for no Wizz Gold, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see, somewhere in here I got the Wizz mod. Yeah, there it is. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this website. It's called Zoo Mods. There's a ton of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's Zoo Mods. So once you're on this website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Wizz. So let me just do that right here. And as you can see, guys, it says Wizz Mod. So just go ahead and press on that. Wait for it to download. You're going to be all set, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Super insane. It actually works. So I'm going to show you guys, if we go to the App Store and type in Wizz, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I would not encourage you guys to spend any money on this at all. So as you can see, guys, when we go to the in-app purchases, you can see that they're charging a lot, $19 for 1,000 coins. Well, I can get that totally for free. So all you got to do, guys, is just go ahead and go to Zoo Mods. You're going to be all set, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super crazy. All you got to do is go search bar, type in Wizz. Should come right up, guys. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super insane. So yeah, please enjoy the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. And yeah, this is super updated, guys. It's so insane. So yeah, it's really not really like a weird thing. Like, it's not hard to download or anything like that. So that's super cool. So as you can see, I got 100 book chats, super chats, admirers, boosts. So yeah, it's pretty crazy, guys. So be sure to go and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna see you guys later, and peace out, gang.